You want to know how that was done? Well, I'm going to teach you. I'm Bill Blagg, and welcome to the Magic Science Lab. To perform the world-famous cut and restored rope magic trick, you're going to need two very important objects. Number one, you're going to need some rope. This is known as soft cotton clothesline. You can purchase it online at Amazon or Walmart, and it's possibly even available at your local hardware store. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a pair of sharp scissors. The sharper, the better. But remember, in magic and science, rule number one is the same, and that is safety. So be very careful with the scissors as we're learning how to perform this. To perform the cut and restored rope, you're going to need a length of rope, around 3 or 4 feet. Take the rope, bring the two ends together. Place those two ends between your pointer finger and your thumb, leaving about 3 to 4 inches of rope hanging down from the front. Now that you're in this position here, you're ready to do what is known as the secret move. Did you catch it? To do the secret move, you grab the loop from down below, and as you're bringing it up behind the cover of your hand, you pinch the rope underneath and pull it up to the side. So it's creating this loop just like this. In fast motion, it looks like this. And this will be where you cut. By keeping your fingers together, you're doing what is known in magic as misdirection. You're preventing the audience from being able to see the secret move happening behind your hand that then puts you in the position like this. Without the misdirection of the fingers, this is what the secret move looks like from the front. So now that you've done the secret move and you're in this position here, you're going to cut right at that new loop in the center that you had just created. And then the pieces of rope that are going to drop are the one on the far right and the one on the far left. And by holding that in your hand, it creates the illusion that you have two pieces of rope. But in reality, you've just made this little secret piece that the full rope is hanging onto. To restore the rope, simply grab the end, bring it up and grab one of the ends up top, and let go. And you've just cut and restored a rope. Once you restore the rope back into one piece, the reality is you have two pieces now in your right hand. So as you're concealing those, to end the routine, pull on the rope, show that it's solid, and then you can just ball it all up in your hand and place it on the table. And that is how you perform the cut and restored rope. Pro tip from me to you, number one, is that misdirection with the hand. Make sure you're hiding the rope during that secret move and your fingers aren't accidentally coming apart. And number two, practice. So practice in front of a mirror, practice in front of your phone, and review your videos and make sure that your performance is clean and make sure that the magic looks good before you get ready to perform it. I'm Bill Blagg, and thank you for joining us for this edition of the Magic Science Lab. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share so you stay up to speed on all the new magic that'll be coming your way. We'll see you next time.